Hello guys, so today I will do unboxing of one more parcel from Temu. I continue order stuff from there, and yeah, as usual it will be fishing gear, and yeah, I like Temu because of fast delivery and very attractive prices, and I would say normal quality if you pick up sellers accurately and if you read reviews. So let's unbox it and see what is inside. So, first item, actually it's magnetic fishing anti-loose rope. I use it for my landing net. Yeah, during the last fishing session I lost mine with landing net, so I decided one more time new one. So yeah, I like it. It's pretty strong, and when your landing net is connected to it, it's very easy to use it, you know, like it can be on your backpack or yeah, just somewhere on your gear, so you can just take it, pick up the fish and then pull it back. So very useful thing, and yeah, not very expensive one. I think it's around $2. It cost me around $2 or two something. So let's see what we have additionally inside. Yeah, it's a fluorocarbon. It's this one is 0.25 millimeters, and yeah, I ordered it to have to fish fishes like a perch and maybe some trout, bigger trout, because yeah, sometimes it's not enough, like 0.2 millimeters is not enough. So it's 50 meters fluorocarbon. I check it with a light, with a lighter, so on fire it's not flammable, and yeah, I would say it's good quality for, I think it's also around $2 for 50 meters. So yeah, pretty nice one. Let's see further what we have. I ordered Jigging Pro. Jigging Pro jig. It's actually it's a 20 grams jig. I'm going to use it for asp, and I also like the quality of Jigging Pro jigs, so I ordered quite a lot of them for sea fishing, but this one I'm going to use for asp fishing. So yeah, the price for it was I think this one cost me around $2.5. And what is next? Okay. This is actually this is hook keepers. So hook keepers for your rod. So if your rod don't have a hook keeper on it, you can buy it, and I think it's like $1. Yeah, the price was $1 per 10 pieces. Yeah, very attractive price, I would say. They are quite small. You have a set of rings for different rods. So yeah, basically I would like to show you how it's pulled. So you pull it like that around your rod, and yeah, maybe I have something. I can use this one as example. So you pull it like that. Yeah, it's pretty strong, but yeah, you pull it like that, and then yeah, you can open it and close. And I would say it's very small one. Should be very good, because before I ordered bigger one and I don't like them, so I ordered this one, small one. And the last one in my list, yeah, this is special tool. I saw it in the internet, on some videos. This is a tool for tightening FG knot. So yeah, like if you use some, if you use for sea fishing, it's FG knot is one of the best one. And if you use quite hard fluorocarbon and line like P2 or P3, so you need this tool to pull the FG knot. Yeah, basically it's, you see like two tubes with a special cover on it, so it's not so it's not broke your line. And when you do FG knot, then you just you just pull your rope, pull your line on top of it. Let's open this one. So when you do FG knot, okay, when you do an FG knot, so you just pull it like a leader on one side and your line on the other side, right? And then you can tie it pretty well. And this tool cost me around, let me think, this one cost me around $6. So yeah, such tool for pulling FG knot. And it's pretty lightweight. So yeah, this is it for today's unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Put your likes and subscribe if you see more unboxing videos.